Hi, Colin with Diode. Super excited to introduce our new ditch light bracket kit for the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. As you can see with its low profile design, even with our pods attached, our brackets sit only about an inch over the hood while still giving you enough room to open and close your hood without hitting anything. These brackets were CAD designed right here in St. Louis, Missouri, using a thick gauge, powder coated stainless steel to help prevent any annoying flexing or vibrations on or off road. Our ditch light kits will come in your choice of a 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow in our SS3s or SSC2s. If you do go with our SSC2, it will come with an added feature of a brilliant amber backlight. All of our LED pods utilize our TIR optics, which give you a much more focused and efficient light output than other options on the market. Both our SS3 and SSC2 ditch light kits come with our combo optic. This combines our driving and flood optics to give you a focus beam of light downrange, as well as a large area of added fill light. One of the nice things about our pods is that they're very modular, which means that if you're looking to change the output pattern to something that's more suitable for your application, we offer replacement lenses so you can do so in just a couple of minutes. If you're looking to pick up a ditch light bracket kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.